Hello, everyone. Today we're looking at the SAP calculator. Um, so this is a project I've been working on for a while. Um, I took it over from some other people in the community. Uh, so the idea is you can select pets and you can select equipment, select toys, and simulate a game state. Uh, so we'll randomize here. It'll pull from the player and opponent pack and randomize some stuff, and we can run simulate here. So this will tell us your chances of winning, drawing, and losing. Um, if you scroll down, you can look at the battles, you can look at random events that are happening, and you can look at the logs to figure out the specific things that happened if you want a deeper understanding. You can also look at the analysis to look at the trigger timeline, and you can compare different battles if you want. If you go under advanced settings, you can turn on debug info or disable logs if you feel like, and you can compare random events from true random versus tiebreaker events, and you can read the specific trigger that happened if you want to understand trigger order. You can also enable and disable stuff like mana, triggers consumed for like pets like pheasant, shima naga, fly, things like that. You can change equipment uses for things like coconut from coconut crab if you want. You can change the level of the swallowed pet for abomination. You can change the Komodo to randomize every pet in front of it at like start of battle, just so you can get like some um, like true randomization from Komodo. And there's a lot of other uh, extraneous settings if you want to use that. You can also set a seed um, if you want to control the randomization. Um, so yeah, we can just keep randomizing. We can turn on all pets and get better randomization. Um, and let's say we like our team, we can name our team and we can save, and we can see here we have a bunch of saved teams. There's a lot of stuff that's preloaded, so you can have some fun trying to see if you can beat certain teams like this. Uh, there's some interesting solutions to this, but it's going to be pretty difficult to find it. Otherwise, you can change what pack you have selected, and you can add your own custom packs, either by creating a new pack manually or importing it from the game. If you look at the logs and you find something a little weird, something different from the game you expected, you can go here and report a bug. Um, and please do that because this is a very complex game and it's difficult to have everything as accurate as the base game. You can also export a JSON if you want and have it imported um, if you want to share with a friend or just save it for yourself. You can just get the exact same state, load it in with export import. You can also generate a link if if you want. It'll copy to clipboard, and there you go. And yeah, that's basically the calculator. There's a guide here if you're interested. Um, if you need any refreshers there, you can also look through these pet selectors, these toy selectors and stuff, and they have a little tooltip taken from the game if you want to remember what everything does. There's also a reset if you need it, and there's some hard toys support. So um, it is going to be a little annoying to manually select each pet, equipment, toy, and all of these various sorts of like settings. So if you want to, you can go onto Discord. You can join the SAP dojo, and you can get the super auto replay bot. So this has an integration with the calculator. So if you just add this app to your server, um, you can run the calc command to get a link for the calculator. And just immediately run it. So this is from the game's replay ID. Yeah, if you just copy your replay ID from the game, you can calc. Um, you can also run the odds command, which generates an image that tells you your percentage, stuff like this. It'll tell you the game, and it'll tell you the percentages of each string. So yeah, this is pretty useful if you want to. I would recommend using this. But yeah, that's the project.